Star of the sea, so pure, so kind, shine upon this heart of mine. Guide me through the stormy wave, show me love that heals and saves. Be the strength my spirit craves. Star of the sea, my gentle guide, stay forever by my side. When I'm lost and filled with fear, whisper softly, I am here. Mother sweet, forever near. When the nights are cold